The United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, is a key policy-making body that's involved in international law at many levels. The UNGA's work includes 1. Initiating studies. The UNGA initiates studies on international law issues. 2. Making recommendations. The UNGA makes recommendations on international law issues. 3. Preparing draft conventions. The UNGA prepares draft conventions on international law issues. 4. Convening conferences. The UNGA convenes international conferences to discuss and adopt multilateral treaties. 5. Adopting declarations and resolutions. The UNGA adopts declarations and resolutions on international law issues. 6. Considering institutional law. The UNGA considers topics related to the UN's institutional law. And 7. Reporting on legal matters. The UNGA receives reports from subsidiary bodies on specific areas of international law. How the UNGA works. 1. The UNGA is made up of all UN member states, each with an equal vote. 2. The UNGA's functions and powers are found in Chapter 4 of the UN Charter. 3. The UNGA's work is allocated among 6 main committees. 4. Decisions on important questions require a 2/3 majority. And 5. Decisions on other questions are by simple majority. Examples of the UNGA's work. The UNGA has considered issues such as peace and security, admission of new members, and budgetary matters. The UNGA has considered issues such as the rule of law, human rights, and climate action. The United Nations General Assembly is the primary deliberative and policy-making organ of the UN, where all member states have equal representation and can discuss and vote on a wide range of international issues, including peace and security, economic development, human rights, and the UN budget, ultimately shaping the direction of international law through resolutions and declarations. Although these are not always legally binding on their own, it serves as a platform for multilateral discussion and debate on global concerns, with each member state having one vote. Key points about the General Assembly in international law. 1. Composition. All 193 UN member states are part of the General Assembly, with each having one vote. 2. Functions. Initiating discussions and making recommendations. The General Assembly can raise important international issues, debate them, and propose solutions through resolutions and declarations. Adopting conventions and treaties. Though not the sole authority, the General Assembly can initiate the process of drafting and adopting multilateral treaties by convening conferences and preparing draft conventions. Electing UN officials. The General Assembly elects the non-permanent members of the Security Council and appoints the UN Secretary-General upon the Security Council's recommendation. Approving the UN budget. The General Assembly has the power to approve the UN budget and assess member states' contributions. 1. Nature of decisions. While the General Assembly can make significant decisions, its resolutions are often not legally binding on member states unless they are adopted as part of a treaty or convention. 2. Important committees. The General Assembly has several committees that focus on specific areas of international law, such as the 6th Committee which deals with legal matters.